We've got breaking news coming in this morning. The official Twitter accounts of Apple, of Elon Musk, of Jeff Bezos and others were hijacked on Wednesday by scammers who are trying to dupe people into sending cryptocurrency Bitcoin in a massive hack. The list of accounts also included those of US Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden, Barack Obama, Uber, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates, Bitcoin specialty firms and many others. Twitter has now halted the ability for some accounts to send new tweets following the massive hacker attack. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, good morning. Any statement that's come in so far from Twitter on this massive hack?
Yes, there are two very important developments on this front. You've already named the people who have been hacked. They're all high profile. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, that's the FBI, in a statement has said that they're aware of the hacker affecting these high-profile Twitter accounts and have urged them not to fall victim to this while the investigations are underway. And on the other hand, Twitter has suspended and disallowed these accounts from tweeting for a couple of hours, which is unprecedented, Akshita, because normally what happens is that individual accounts are allowed to reset their passwords and start tweeting again. But in this case, Twitter had stopped or halted any tweets from going out from these accounts till the investigation and review was under. And now they have allowed all these Twitter accounts to start tweeting again. But this clearly shows that the scope of the problem is systemic and not individual, which means the internal systems have been hacked for the hacker to have been able to access so many high-profile accounts in one go, rather than one individual having been attacked.
So, Geeta, at this point, what is the kind of action that Twitter has taken? Have these accounts been completely deactivated? You're telling us that many of them are not being allowed to put in any new content right now.
Well, for a couple of hours, they were disallowed, and there was a temporary halt on all these accounts. But now they have allowed all the accounts to start functioning again, which means they have found, in all probability, found the root cause of the problem and the hacking. Like you said, it is a Bitcoin cryptocurrency promoter that or people who have really hacked the system. But we no details as to where the origins of this hack really lie. The FBI certainly is involved. If you see, all the high-profile cases are from America, and the who's who have been hacked in the United States of America. So investigations underway. Twitter disallowed the accounts for a while from tweeting, but now have allowed them from tweeting. So in all probability, they know the source, but right now, no further details have been out in terms of where the entire hack originated from.
Geeta, also if you could focus on how many accounts were hacked. You know, as you pointed out, these are very, very influential global personalities, all of whose accounts were hacked. Do we have the entire list?
Well, not a number to go by, but the top list does include Barack Obama, Biden, Bloomberg, Kim Kardashian, Kanye West, Elon Musk, but it also includes the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. So that's a very important development. It's not just the Americans, but the Israeli Prime Minister's account was also hacked by the hackers who managed to, in one go, attack so many high-profile accounts, and which is why the worry for Twitter was that it is a systemic hack rather than an individual hack.
All right, Geeta, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. We'll be closely tracking the developments in the story. For the moment, the Twitter accounts in which these posts were put up, they were stopped temporarily from posting any new tweets. However, that bar has been removed because it's understood that Twitter perhaps has completed its investigation.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.